Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to create a sketch design on your Canva application. So actually it's not a create, but it's more like changing your image into a sketch. So the way to do that, first you need to open a new page and insert an image that you want to adding this effect. For example, I'm just going to use Canva photos, and let me find the image that I will use. I think I'm just going to use this hand image. Let me remove the background from it. And now the next step, go to the apps and open a tracer apps, this one. If you don't have these apps on your toolbars, you can go to the apps button, this one, and then search this tracer apps. Now trace selected image, this one. I already select this image and then click trace selected image. Waiting for a moment, and this is the result that you got. So you just need to decrease the size of the threshold. Wait for a moment. Okay, I think I will increase it again, 155. Okay, and I think will be enough. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to click add to design, and you can delete this previous image, sorry. And as you can see, now your image has already changing onto a sketch design. Okay, let me change the background color. I think I'm going to use this color, and positioning the image like this, just like that. And that's the way how to change your image onto a sketch using this tracer application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.